Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Sola. We're talking today about my forklift batteries, and please, I apologize ahead of time for the video. It's not quite in sequence. It doesn't match what I'm saying. Since the last video on the forklift batteries, I am running 22 of the 24 batteries, and we've been struggling to get them charged. 750 amp hours is a lot of energy, and to properly charge them I need close to 10 kilowatt hours, 10,000 watts in PV, 10 kilowatts in PV, and right now I only have 3,200 watts, so that isn't happening. And I need to be able to get them to 60 volts. The 22 I have, I need to get them to 60 volts. That is not happening either. The best I've seen is 54, a little under 55 volts. The data you're looking at is data from our charge controllers. The initial one you saw was from the blue charge controller, which is the Victron, and what you're seeing now is from the Schneider, and it's taking you back over a period of days. And as you can see, 1.55 kilowatt hours just does not cut it. I need to be seeing 14 kilowatt hours in order for these batteries to get charged. Good thing is I've built an enclosure to cover the batteries so they don't get wet and the sun doesn't beat them directly. There's a plexiglass underneath the metal sheet, so it doesn't get corroded by the acid as it vents as it charges. The rainy season is a brutal time in Nigeria, and I think May, June, and July are the most difficult months for sunshine. I do not see the situation with these batteries improving anytime soon. As you can see from the specific gravity check, it's all over the place. And the only way to get everything even is me renting a generator, which I hate, and then running that generator for a couple of days to get my battery voltage where it needs to be. So between my 60 amp charger on my inverter and my 3.5 kilowatts, I should be able to get some meaningful current into the batteries. As you can see, the numbers in red show you the batteries that are actually stressed and suffering. And we need to find a way to improve that, and the only way that could happen is me renting a generator or us going through a 1 week period of just absolute sunshine. Where that fails, then the batteries will continue to suffer and I'll continue to be sad. I monitor it and I'm not getting anywhere near what I got from them before. In fact, right now I'm getting much less. By 9 p.m. now the batteries go off. Before they were going off at about 3 a.m. So we're going backwards instead of going forwards. If I tell you I'm happy, I'll be lying. I'm very, very sad. I forgot how easy it is to charge lithium-ion batteries. And when I went to this, it was just a very, very stupid move on my part. And now I feel really, really stupid. But you know what? All for experimentation. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, I'm open. Thank you for watching. This is Dr. Sola once more, coming to you from New Jersey.